Hello everyone, this is Mridula Bhaskar and welcome back to my channel. How are all of you doing? So here I am with a great Indian festive sale haul. Okay, so I picked up some nice clothes. The festive season is on the go. We are purchasing a lot of stuff and many people are getting married as well. So we are having to purchase a lot of stuff. I did pick up some clothes which turned out to be pretty nice. The style is pretty good, the material is decent. You can wear it a couple of times, but the cost. So the way I shopped, that's what I'm going to tell you now. So I have picked out outfits for 5,000 rupees and every outfit that I purchase is going to be below 1,000 rupees. Okay, so we're going to style for the festive season. Each outfit is below 1,000 rupees. Some are way below 500 also. Okay, beautiful collections that I have for you today. I am going to talk about the product, the price of the product and all the other details, everything. I'm going to talk about it, and if I miss out anything, everything is going to be linked down in the description box. So before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. Now without any further ado, let's jump. So first in line, I wanted to talk about a pastel set, kurti set that I picked up. So this is a beautiful kurti set. This is the pant, okay? It's got prints like that and it's a beautiful green. Like up front, it's a nice and beautiful green. It's a good cotton material with white prints on top of it. This turned out to be the best quality, guys. I picked it up for 579 rupees or something like that. I will put up the exact prices right here, and this is how the kurti looks. It's got a nice kali cut over here. Not too many kalis, but yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got a nice snug yoke and then it flares out, maybe like a fit to flare kind of a, kurti set. So I am in the size small, which itself was slightly loose for me. So yes, this kurti set turned out to be one of my favorites. I love the color. It's very elegant and the print is also of very good quality on top of it. It's got this white detailing over here, which I also liked a lot. Overall, an elegant, beautiful set which is worth the money. I love this particular set, guys. So definitely a thumbs up from my side. Next up, again, I have a rayon salwar set. Okay, again, a very pretty nice red. It's that tomato red color. It's got foil prints on the top, okay, and it's got this detailing of a round and V-neck in front, and it's 3/4 sleeves, and the ends of the sleeve have a gota border, which is okay quality, but yeah, you can wear it a couple of times. Not very designer style, but for the price, of course, I paid some 639 rupees or so. I think it was worth it, guys. And the pant was a plain rayon red palazzo. Okay, it's a nice loose palazzo, loose at the bottom, as in not loose for me, loose at the bottom, and it's got a nice good quality elastic which I really liked. There's no lining in this whatsoever and doesn't require a lining as well. And the dupatta is something I really love. This is a printed dupatta, okay. It's got these flower detailing and gota detailing at the end, which again I liked a lot. Very pretty dress actually. These are prints, it's not hand painted, okay. They had mentioned hand painted, but of course for 600 and odd rupees, expecting a hand painted one, especially when I am in the apparel business, I know how much it costs. So this is good. It's decent quality. You can definitely wear it couple of times. Nice for some, festival. Click some beautiful pictures and then after that wear it like 2-3 times and then throw it. So yeah, it's a beautiful piece actually, and I love the color. You can style it in a lot of different ways. So yes, one of my favorites and definitely a thumbs up from my side. So third up, I have a sharara set, okay. This particular set I was very skeptical about picking up because I didn't know how I will look in a sharara, but trust me guys, I loved the sharara pant. It's so nice. It fits me so perfectly well. I think this is a crepe material that they have used, and at the sharara frills they have given this, kind of a detailing over here, which was nice. And it's got not too much frills, okay. It's got a decent amount of frills and it's nice. The material is comfortable, definitely very comfortable. So I like this particular piece. Actually, I like the pant more than the top. Only thing about the top was it's a foil printed one. Usually I'm not a person, if you tell me foil print, I'll run in the opposite direction. But I thought this time let me just try out, because all the clothes are foil printed. everything is foil printed. So I was like, let me just give it a try. But again, yeah, it's not gonna last too long if it is a foil print though. But I really loved this particular top as well. At least for pictures, it looks so pretty and it's pretty comfortable as well. It has an elbow sleeve. Again, most sleeves are very, very loose for me, and that same detailing which was on the sharara on the neck and the sleeve is there. So yes, this was the thing, and it's a pretty short kurti. It's not a very long one, and this is the foil print detailing. So this was about 900 and odd rupees. Anyway, I'm putting up all the prices over here so you can definitely have a look. And it has a georgette dupatta, just a plain georgette dupatta with, you know, gold patti all around, all four sides. That patti is put. So yes, so green and yellow, it looked very pretty. So yeah, of course you can always have a look and come to a conclusion. But I love the pant. Just for the sharara pant, thumbs up. So I make a lot of brocade skirts in my studio, okay, and it turns out to be pretty expensive because pure brocade is always, you know, on the more expensive side. So this time I saw a brocade skirt and I wanted to pick it up and see how they are selling it for such a low cost. This was about 400 and odd rupees, and this was the brocade skirt. I picked up a green one. The brocade material is decent. It's definitely, you know, not bad at all. It's decent, and it's got a sand crepe lining inside. Sand crepe usually doesn't last very long, but yeah, for the price, it's completely justified, guys. It's about 479 rupees, and I am talking so much about fabrics because I run a business of apparels and bridal clothing and everything, so I definitely know about these garments and fabrics really well. So this is an average decent quality brocade, and it's got sand crepe lining inside, and it's a free size, okay, so you can adjust and you know, do whatever, you know, bring it to whatever size you want. And it was a little bit short for me. That was the only thing, because I'm not very tall. I'm just 5.5 feet tall, so it was a little bummer that it was slightly short for me. But yeah, I managed somehow. But yeah, I definitely loved this particular skirt. It was very nice, and especially for the cost, it was damn good. Thumbs up from my side, and the material is also pretty decent, guys, for 400 and odd rupees. What can you ask for? To pair it with that, I picked up this particular top, okay. This was 500 and something rupees. It's got that bell sleeve, and the sleeve was slightly loose for me, but I have very thin hands, okay, and this is a blouse made at my studio, so you know, it fits well. But you know, when you buy ready-made clothes, especially when you're on the slimmer side, the fitting becomes a little bit of an issue, so you'll have to adjust. So I wanted to do that brocade skirt and shirt style, so which is what I did, and I paired it with some beautiful jewelry you'll anyway see in the clipping. And it's got this nice detailed collar detailing over here, which I really liked. It's got that fan kind of a collar detailing, and this is also rayon, okay. It's slightly thicker rayon material, and I purchased a size L because I wanted it to be slightly loose. So yeah, I did like this particular top as well. You can tuck it in with your jeans or you know, these kind of skirts, and it's going to look very nice and clean because there's no print on it also. So you can pair it with a lot of things, but definitely a good buy. I think it was around 570 rupees or something, but sorry, this was about 579 rupees or something, but definitely a good buy, and the material is also pretty decent. I liked it. Next up, I have a dhoti sari. For all of you who are watching me on Instagram or following me on Instagram, know really well that I love dhoti saris, dhoti, whatever. I will pick it up. This time I saw one for about 800 rupees with a blouse, and it was foil print. I told you I'm not a big fan of foil prints, but I thought let me just give it a try this time, and definitely I was not at all, you know, dissatisfied with anything. This is a pretty, you know, green. It's green, I don't know, looks grey on camera, but this is more like an olive green with foil prints on it. This is the blouse, okay, of this particular piece. I just shot the video, and the hands and everything's all over the place. So they've given a golden piping over here, okay. This is again from Genesis. I think every almost all the dresses have turned out to be not intentionally from Genesis, but I liked it. Okay, this is again a crepe material with foil print on it. The blouse, it's a crop top kind of a thing. So yeah, I liked it a lot. And then it's got a pant. Okay, the dhoti pant which is like this. In front it's got a belt and back it's got you know, the elastic, and it's got a dhoti pant. And the same blouse ka you know, material is attached to the dhoti pant. Like this, it's attached to the dhoti pant and it's got foil print. So basically it will go up like a sari, like that. So I sort of love these kind of you know, styles, because I like something which is very you know, flowy, and something which can be draped and it's not a sari. I'm always, you know, taken towards those kind of styles, so which is why I picked this up. This was about 816 or something like that. Definitely a good buy. I like this particular piece as well, and the style of it is very nice. Only thing, it, you know, is pretty long. It keeps going under my legs, so that's the only bummer. I can easily fold it up, you know, 3 to 4 folds, and then it will fit me perfectly well. That was the only thing, but otherwise this is a pretty decent piece. And last but not the least, the sari that I'm wearing. I don't know why it's looking so maroon on camera, whether it's the evening light or what, but this is actually wine color, okay? It's a beautiful wine color, and a very, very pretty lace sari. It comes with the same lace blouse piece, but I'm not a person who, you know, sort of stitches the blouses. I sort of like to pick the blouses separately and, you know, create my own style. So yeah, I will insert the clippings of this. I think this is also one of my favorites, whatever turned out in this whole set of stuff. This has also been one of my favorites. Very nice detailing of this you know, raw silk kind of a material as the border on you know, the sides where we drape. It's pretty nice, it's pretty decent. And guess the price is just 399 rupees, okay, which is a good price for a sari and blouse piece together. So yes, I liked this particular sari. And sari is not something we wear on a daily basis, right? And a very party wear kind of a sari. You can accessorize it well and it's gonna look like really, really nice. Today I wanted to go a little traditional, which is why I wore this particular, you know, this is jhumkas from Rue Studio. It's like pure silver, so I just paired it along with this, so it looks very pretty. But this definitely, you know, caught my eye. I really like this particular sari from the time I saw it, and for the net thing which we usually use, this seemed like a very, very good option. So I like this particular sari as well, and for the cost it is like damn good. Definitely a thumbs up. So yes, my dear friends, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This is one of my first hauls that I'm doing per se on a YouTube video. I've never done it before. On Instagram, I keep doing these hauls. I keep posting looks and everything. I'm a more Instagram person than a YouTube person, but I hope you're enjoying the videos that I'm posting on YouTube. Even though it's not been very consistent and I'm not posting every week, I'm working on it, okay? We are setting up a team. My health also hasn't been great, so I'm not being very, very, you know, punctual with posting of videos. So I'm sorry about that, but definitely we're gonna come on track soon, okay? So I really wanted to test out and see how these products are. I want to keep the budget pretty low because I'm not a person who generally shops clothes online. So I wanted to see what exactly is the quality, how good it is for, you know, 500 or 600 when we, you know, get a kurta set. How is it going to be? I've always been very inquisitive about that. I did get my answers. Some are very good, some are like okay, but yeah, it is, you know, everyone's individual perspective. But I loved everything I purchased in its own way, okay? The style is very nice, the fit was decent, and the quality also was decent. Definitely worth the money that you are paying for. So yes, the Amazon Great Indian Festive Sale is also happening, and I picked up all these products. Not only clothing, you can also check out home decor, you can check out electronic items, you can check out a lot of stuff. I'm coming up with my home tour and I'm going to show you what all I purchased, okay? Every day I'm getting like 5-6 parcels from Amazon. Trust me, from scissors to knives to everything I'm purchasing on the Great Indian Festive Sale only. So it is pretty good, okay? You can check out the offers from water purifiers to refrigerators. Everything is on great deal. Check it out, guys. You will definitely not be disappointed. So before we log out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. And since this is my first haul, guys, hit the like button and support, okay? And do follow me on Instagram. I've listed all the socials down below. Join my family there as well. I post a little more often there as compared to YouTube, so definitely join me there, okay? I'll see you all in another video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram. I will be more than happy to take your feedback. Take care, love you. Bye bye, guys. Have a happy festive season.